Besides the real-time notification of messages from your VIP contacts, Nock-In is also very handy for accessing all messaging notifications from your non-VIP contacts. Nock-In features a central hub called the Notifications History, where you can visualize notifications for all the messaging apps you're using, like SMS, WhatsApp, email, Messenger, Signal, and Telegram. From there, you can also easily get into the related app or conversation just by tapping the notification. Hence, you avoid the pain of having to check out each messaging app individually. All notifications are stored in the history log with specific colors and icons to identify them. For making things the easiest, you're offered several viewing options: filtering on a per application basis, sorting the notification list per date, per contact, and per priority. This central hub stores the notifications without time limitation. You get cleanup tools for managing the history content. Selectively, you can delete individual or groups of notifications, or globally. With Nock-In, managing your inbound communication is super easy.